During the first session of the 16th National Assembly, the draft resolution on piloting a public lawyer system attracted attention. This is not just an organizational reform, but a move towards professionalizing legal work in the public sector in line with international practices. The report tells more.
Under the draft resolution, the pilot will be implemented in 8 ministries, along with 10 cities and provinces, such as Hà Nội, Chí Minh City, Nẵng and Hải Phòng. The pilot period will run from 1st October 2026 to 30 September 2028. Public lawyers are defined as civil servants, armed forces officers, or employees of state-owned enterprises that grant bar certificates. They will provide legal advice, representation, and litigation in civil, administrative, and international investment and trade disputes, as well as legal support for socio-economic projects.
I believe this draft resolution carefully selects qualified officials to be recognized as public lawyers with clear standards and conditions. I support this approach.
Countries that succeed all have a complete legal system, including laws on public lawyers. I believe this will be a key motivation to build investor confidence while also protecting national economic interests.
In many countries, public lawyers operate alongside private lawyers, improving legal support and protecting public interests. This pilot is expected to be a breakthrough in legal reform, contributing to a more modern, professional, and effective rule of law state.
Based on our experiences, I do believe that the introduction of a public defender system in Vietnam can bring significant advantages. It can ensure equal access to justice, particularly for those who cannot afford private legal representation. It can strengthen public trust in the judicial system and improve the overall fairness and efficiency of the proceedings. In the long run, it can also contribute to reducing procedural errors and enhancing the credibility of the justice system.
Public and private lawyers together form a multi-layered legal ecosystem that both enhance state governance and protects public interests. In Vietnam, piloting this model is expected to be an important step towards strengthening the national legal capacity and improving the legal system in the context of integration.